Welcome to Boundless Shift Tutorials. Alright, so we'll be dealing with tutorials today. This is my first Microsoft 365 Word document I'll be creating. So let's go. How do we begin your first document? So you go to Start button. On the bottom left, normally on Windows 10 you locate it there. Then you'll be having your Start menu popping up. So you might have it there as the top, but don't worry if you don't see it there, Microsoft Word being shown. Then you can scroll down. You need to scroll down and locate Word. There is my Word program. So I click once to open. Now your application is opened, so you'll be presented with templates here. So for now we are going to take things easy. We'll simply go for blank document. This is because we don't want to start our document on an existing template, so that is why we go for blank document. So normally if you want to start everything from the scratch, then that is where you will click blank document. Now I have a new blank document. Let me maximize my window. Alright, so here now what do you do? So if you've used Microsoft Word before, then you'll proceed with your typing. So here now I have my document about Alex and computers. This is the heading, and then my first paragraph, and then my second paragraph here. So assuming that I don't want to do any editing, so I'll leave everything like this and save it as plainly as you see it. So how do I save my document? I click File on the top left corner. Then I locate the Save command. Now once I'm here, preferably if you don't want to save it on the cloud, it is up to you. You can either leave it on the cloud or on your OneDrive or locally on your computer. So on this instance, I'll click this PC. Once I'm here, I'll provide my file name. Where it says documents, enter file name, I click my first 365 document. So I'll leave it like this. Now I've provided file name. Now on my computer, which folder I wanna save into. So some people might say, okay, documents, that is fine. So you can locate documents, scroll down. If you see it, it is okay. If you don't see it, then you can, on the left side there on browse, you can click browse once. Then once you are here, then you can locate the folder you want to save into. Then here now I've opened my folder. Then since my file name is already here, I'll simply click save. Now it's done saving. There at the top we have your title bar. It says my first 365 document. So I've saved my document for the first time successfully. That is it.